Hello, how are you? Is he talking, girls? Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Yeah, hi. So what's happening? Did you solve the questions from Transcend? Transcend, I was asking you, no? Questions. Okay, Rajeshwari, Deepika, Nikita, Lakshmi, everybody. Okay. Good, 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 good. Very nice, very nice. Prakriti. Always practice Prakriti. Very good. Rovia. Okay, good morning. So let us start solving the questions. Continue some more questions. Then we'll start with the biotechnology. Because today's class, we will start off with biotechnology after finishing this. Okay. So which question we start, I really don't know. Let us solve it. Solved, yes ma'am, you solved Transcend, very good dear. Any other book also you start solving. Any other if you have with you, you can solve them. Okay, microbes in human welfare. 6 questions were solved. Number 6. Okay. Nikita, 7th question. 6th one you are done, right? D is the answer, streptomycin, which is written as Bacillus griseus. But it is not correctly matched. Right? 6th one option is D. Because Bacillus griseus is used against tuberculosis, and it will have that earthy smell of soil. Because of, yeah, one more thing I want to tell you is there is some kind of bacteria is there, no? This bacteria, okay, just one important thing I want to tell you. Its name is petrichor. Petrichor bacteria is there, okay? Okay, that is actually, petrichor is a common name of it. They are given a 4th option, Bacillus griseus. Okay, I'll tell you that. Okay, what is there on the board is different. Anyway, I'll erase that and give you. This I hope you know. What is this drawing? What are these drawings explaining you? What are the drawings explaining you? Come on, others, where are you? What are the drawings on the board? Plant embryology. Development of embryo in diploid plants. Diploid embryo structure, right? This is for something else I have done, right? Now, let's continue. One bacteria they given, that is Bacillus griseus. That's a D option is there, no? That Bacillus griseus is the type of bacteria which we call it as, it is given against tuberculosis, TB medicine it is, okay? There's one special bacteria I wanted to give you. It's called petrichor bacteria. You write it. Petrichor is a kind of bacteria which will produce a kind of characteristic mud smell when it rains first time. Have you felt that smell? Whenever it rains for the first time in summer and all, you get a characteristic smell. Now it's not happening because already it's all gone, right? Have you felt that smell anytime? Yeah, that smell is because of this. The petrichor bacteria will produce that smell, which is actually the mud smell. Mud smell during first rain. Okay, this smell produced by the petrichor bacteria is anti-cancerous in nature. It is anti-cancer chemical it has. So therefore, smelling them, you will be free from cancer, right? So there are some important, now they are not produced because they are already gone. Only when they are in the sunlight, they will be there on the surface. Whenever it rains, they will come up in the air. That will give you, they will inhale that. That smell is the mud smell. That will give anti-cancer property. Okay, did you understand what is that I said? Okay, next answer is D. I told you it's not matching. Next one, 7th question. Bacillus thuringiensis BT strains have been used for designing level. What for they are used? What for they are used? D is fine. What is that insecticide I told you? I told some name of the insecticide. Do you remember? That kills an insect. What is an insecticide? Come on. Arre beta, Bacillus thuringiensis alli ಏನು ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ chemical ಹೆಸರೇನು? There is, just check. I given yesterday. I given it yesterday. Just check. Thuroside crystals. Okay, thuroside crystals, when they enter into the digestive tract, gut of the insect, they will convert to the dissolved alkaline condition. They will get dissolved and they cause the death of the insects. Thurosoid. Okay, remember that. They are the crystals, toxins, toxic crystals as we call them. Okay, done. Next. Probiotics. So answer you have written already. You have answers, I know it, but still I want you to give the justification for that answer. Okay. Probiotics are dash. What are they? What are probiotic? I already given you example of probiotic. What are the probiotic you are using? Array answer. Don't give me Likita. I know that you have got answer keys. I know you know the answer keys. I want you to describe that. Answer. What are the probiotics you eat? I told you one day, first day. Remember? Yes. Live microorganism consumed in the form of food. Very good. So you take time to type, but type it because it is not just ABCD. It is a question of subject. Okay, done. Good. So where you will get it? Where you eat live microorganisms? Curds, buttermilk and curds. Anything else you eat live microbes? Yes, curds is right. Where else you can eat it? Dosa, idli, we will kill them. We will kill them, right? We will not eat raw buttermilk and curds only. Yeah. We kill them actually. We are going to make that, what do you call it? Dosa, no? We will have to bake it or either you have to burn it. Toddy and alcohol. Cheese also. Cheese actually, yeah, the cottage cheese is like that. Yeah, most of the cheese are like that. They are all eaten raw, right? And undistilled alcohols only will have the live microbes. Okay, but still alcohol is not good. So you are not talking about alcohol, toddy anyway. Neera is okay. Neera is early morning you drink that. That Neera is fine. Okay, done? Okay, then that's fine. Next, organic farming does not include. Organic farming is what is not there in organic farming. First, green manures. Green manure, is it organic or non-organic? It's a chemical. Green manure, is it organic farming? It is organic, right? Second one, farmyard manure. So farmyard manure is now manure organic. Okay. Chemical fertilizers are not organic, right? Answer is chemical. Compost is also organic, right? Chemical fertilizers is the answer. Like urea and all they use now, they are all chemical fertilizers, not organic. Correct. Next. So you are all familiar, no? You are able to answer so nicely, not because you got answer keys. Say I've seen, I always tell you, don't worry about the answer keys. You have it already with you. But I want you to justify this. Okay. So what are the organic chemicals they prepare? I told you. organic biofertilizers names I given, no? Organic fertilizers, how do they prepare? Anybody can you tell me? Organic biofertilizers, how they prepare? What is the base they use? What is the base they use? For organic fertilizers, what is the base they are using? Come on, answer. Biofertilizers, coal powder and dung and all is manure thing. I'm talking about biofertilizers. I'm not talking manure. Manure is a decomposed thing. Coal powder and lignite soil. Yes, Suniti, right. Suniti Pawar is right. Lignite soil. What they do later? They mix them. What they do later? What do they do? Both of them. Come on, answer. They autoclave both of them. Mix with the nutrients and autoclave. Autoclave ಅಂದ್ರೆ heat ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. How many hours they will heat it? Okay, I think autoclave it for 48 hours. After that, what they do? After that, they will take it out and cool it. Then they fill it in the packets and keep it for almost 2 days. Then fill in the packets. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಫಾಸ್ಫರಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರೆ ತಾನೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಮೇಲೆ they will sell it. First it should convert to, it should undergo fermentation, allow it bacterial activity, allow it for microbial action, then only they seal it. Okay, next. Farmers have reported 50% higher yield of rice by using which of the following biofertilizer? Bacillus thuringiensis is not a biofertilizer. First you should know. Okay. So what is Bacillus thuringiensis? What is Bacillus thuringiensis? It is a anti-insecticide. It is pesticide, insecticide. Okay, done. Legume Rhizobium symbiosis. That is a biofertilizer. Mycorrhizal. Actually, is Azolla. Azolla pinnata is producing more nitrogen and it is required for rice fields. Azolla single cell green algae. Next, most commonly used green manure in India. Which one? Already I discussed about all this. What is Protonaria gentiana common name? What is Protonaria gentiana called commonly? Hemp. Good. It's called as sun hemp. Sun hemp. Very hemp alla. Sun hemp. SUN hemp. Sun hemp is the yellow color flowers irutte. And we use it for the study of typical plant from Papilionaceae. Comes under Papilionaceae or Fabaceae. Hemp it is. Hemp it is used. Second one is Sesbania aculeata. What is Sesbania aculeata? I told you Sesbania once. I told you. What is Sesbania? Huh? Ravi Kumar. ASC. It is Sesbania. Yesterday I told the meaning of that. Next is Simnopsis tetragona loba. What is Simnopsis tetragona loba? Cluster bean. Everybody know cluster bean. Very good. So whenever you eat cluster bean, you tell that his name is Cis. That is Simnopsis tetragona loba. So all these are used in the production of green manure. Okay, next. Which of the following is not a pesticide? Trichoderma hesianum. It's a fungal pesticide. Trichoderma is a fungal pesticide. Mercomedian munde. Because other question ಬರ್ಬೋದಲ್ವಾ fungal pesticide ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದೆ. Nucleopolyhedrovirus. It's a kind of baculovirus. Yesterday I was talking about baculovirus. Remember what we spoke about baculovirus? Baculovirus ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು? Every time when I talk, I don't want answers. I want to discuss the subject. What I spoke about baculovirus. It kills ants, rats, and beetle by entering the digestive tract. It will be alkaline media. It becomes toxic. Baculovirus, and it is host specific. One of the baculovirus is this one, Nucleopolyhedrovirus. Polyhedrovirus is not virus. It will be having polyhedral head, tail fibers. That's a nucleopolyhedrovirus. Next, Xanthomonas campestris. Okay, Xanthomonas campestris. It is actually a disease-causing fungus. Okay, so that causes right down there only. It causes a disease, namely black rot in crucifers. So it causes a disease called black rot in crucifers. I write it on the board. Xanthomonas campestris tane. Campestris is a pathogen that causes black rot in crucifers. Then yeah, it's more specific. Did you write about Xanthomonas campestris? It will do what it will do. It is going to cause a disease, so it is not a biopesticide. Bacillus thuringiensis is a biopesticide. You already know it, isn't it? You know that already. Which of the following statements regarding baculoviruses as a biocontrolling agent these are correct? See, so many things are matching. Drawing the explanation I am putting ella neatly there. So the neat questions ivella bandira questions ivella. And the majority of baculoviruses used as biocontrol agents are included in the genus Nucleopolyhedrovirus. It's correct. So most of them they come under this. I am not giving you a lot of details, but most of them are nucleopolyhedroviruses. Next, infection with baculovirus occurs when susceptible hosts eat the virus particles present on the leaf and become dead. Okay, it is true, right? They will be sprayed on the plant leaves, and when the insect now feeds on it, it will die. Next, infection. Sorry, these are important in organic farming because of their specific action on the harmful insects without causing any damage to the beneficial insects. And then most of the time what we are bothered is ಈ ಪಾಲಿನೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಹತ್ತ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಈಗ ಇದು ಅದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. BT ಕಾಟನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಒಂದ್ಸಲ, ಬಯೋಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಬ್ಯಾಸಿಲಸ್ thuringiensis ಕಾಟನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಇಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದ ಇನ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ತಾನೆ. BT ಕಾಟನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ಕಾಟನ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಡಿಸೀಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ದ ಬಾಲ್ ವರ್ಮ್ ಡಿಸೀಸ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಕಾಟನ್ ಬಾಲ್ ಇರೋದು ಥಿಕ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸೆಪರೇಟ್ ದ ಫೈಬರ್ಸ್ because of the ball worm disease. Ball worm ga worm madle flower alli irutte. It will make the fibers tangled, due to which the cotton yield will be gone. That's why people were struggling. That time Indian Institute of Science, here horticulture department, Indian Institute of Science, they prepared a new type of this Bacillus thuringiensis cotton, BT cotton, which produced that particular toxin, that is crystal toxin, and the BT cotton worm, the ball worms, were dead. By eating that, they used to die. But earlier what happened was, the cotton plant, okay fine, it was growing well, but it was not producing any fruits further. Then they started thinking what happened. Then they found that this Bt cotton or Bacillus thuringiensis crystals are killing the pollinating insects also. If the pollination doesn't happen, no fertilization, no food, no seed setting, nothing. Therefore, later they modified for specifically for only these insects. But baculoviruses are very host specific. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ants ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ants ಮಾತ್ರ ಹೊಡಿತಿದೆ, bees ಹೊಡಿಯಲ್ಲ ಅದು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದೆಯಾ? ಈಗ bees ಬಂದು ಹನಿ bees ಬಂದು ಪಾಲಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಅದು ತಿಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅದು ಸತ್ತೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಪಾಲಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ this is very important because it is only for that particular host works. They are very host specific. They will not work on other plants. Okay. So whatever I told you, right? Let me see. Whatever I told you right now, what happened with the bacillus and how it differs from baculovirus. Tell me. Let me see how many are concentrating. 120 members are there today. All 120 members should react now. Let me see in your own words. You tell me. Okay. Just think. What did I tell you? So write some of the things on the board. Based on that, you write some points on that. How baculovirus is important? Why not the Bacillus thuringiensis? Right? So I told you first point as Bacillus thuringiensis was used for the production of Bt cotton. It was used for the production of Bt cotton. Bt cotton because the cotton plants suffer from the bollworm disease. Bollworm disease, where the cotton will used to become tangled. Fibers were not separating. Fibers get tangled. Okay, this is one point. The second point. But what was wrong with this is there was a problem with this tangling and the bacillus toxin. The toxin produced by Bt used to kill all the insects, due to which there was no pollination and no fertilization, no fruit formation. Therefore, compared to these, all these baculovirus are important. Yeah, many are writing. I hope so. It's a host specific. It reacts with, yeah. Bt kill all the pests. Very good, Sudipta. Even the pollinators, whereas the baculovirus is host specific. Okay, good. That's the right thing. Others also should write now. For me, all of you should write here. Let me see. Others also. You may copy or whatever you do. I don't mind, but write it. If you write only, it's of use. Otherwise, whatever I tell you, you will listen to me like a Ramayana and then run away. Yeah, your own methods, your own ways, you tell me. Yeah. So what did we speak? This baculovirus, this is Bacillus thuringiensis. It produced Bt cotton. They introduced the gene from Bacillus thuringiensis into the Bt cotton plant, and this plant was produced against the bollworm disease. So bollworm is the type of disease in which the cotton used to become the highly coiled tangled mass, right? So that will be overcome. That was overcome by using Bt cotton. But the toxin was working against all the insects, due to which the remaining insects also were killed, which actually are pollinators, due to which the Bt toxin is not recommended for most of the things, but baculovirus are host specific. They act on particular ants and wasps. Therefore, baculoviruses most useful bio insecticide. Okay, fine then. Hello, hello. Busy हो? Done? All of you done? Yes, many are written. Shweta is written Lakshmi baculovirus for specific, whereas BT is not specific. Shweta baculovirus is hot. Is not specific. It reacts to the pollinating flowers. Pollinating flowers are pollinators. Shweta, where are you? Yeah. Pollinators and the insects. Pollinating is insect class. Okay. Did you understand? Write those points in your book. Why baculovirus is important, not the BT. Bacillus thuringiensis is not important because of this. Bacillus thuringiensis is not specific to insects. It can kill all the insects. Good. Manasvi is also writing. Manasvi, I didn't see you yesterday. Where were you yesterday, Manasvi? You are not there, huh? I didn't find you. You are there. I didn't take your attendance only yesterday. I didn't take the attendance, right? So you please attend classes properly. Otherwise, I cannot identify whether you are really working or you are simply sitting in front of the computer. Okay, your network is unstable. It's okay, fine. Manasvi, you don't miss the classes and see the recorded versions. Okay. Okay. Kaveri is also writing. Other people, 120 members cannot write a word. All the 120 members are having a handicapped problem, or you are not able to type it. I didn't understand you. All they are there, no? You please type and let me know. Read this and type, no? That's helping you. Oh my god, I'm waiting and all, I'm feeling so bad. So people are simply switching on and roaming around. I think so. At least all of you write one line. Baculovirus are host specific, BT cotton is not. Let me see. One sentence you write. All 20 of them. Puran is sending it. Only 4 members have sent me. Samyak has sent me. Prithvi Gowda, 5, 6. Ananya, okay. 6 members. Prithvi Gowda, 7. Jeevani, 8, 9. Naksha, Sajwa, Simat. Sajwa, you were there yesterday, dear. I took your attendance, huh? I don't know. Asba, okay. Sanjana, Radhika, okay. You write like that, nothing issue. Spurti, okay, fine. 20 members are there. Okay, Sanjit is in. Very good, Sanjit. Janmari Avadidan, Sanjit. Urjita is there, writing. Very good. Arun, Darshan, Romana, Tanusha, Chinmani, Sneha, Namrata. Okay, Ravi Kumar. Very good. Anushri, Hemamaya, Rakshita, Pavitra, Yukta. Oh, Yukta is there. Very good. Pratibha, Purnima. Okay, Bhumika. Very good. Okay, then listen. That's awesome. All of you are answering. That's good, right? I felt very happy that you people are answering, right? Because we cannot see that doesn't mean that you have to take advantage and roam around here. Good, good. All of you are answering. I'm very happy for that. Okay. So next question we go to. Okay, good. All of you are answering. Good, good. And very nice thing. One girl, I don't remember her name, from Oxford, I think. She sent me the list of all students. She only made the list and sent me. Really, I felt so happy. Name I forgot. Who is that girl? Are you there, ma, today? Yeah. She sent me a list because I was so confused. Papa, she felt so much for me. She made one list of all the college students and sent me. That's a really great thing. Yeah, thank you so much. Her name I forgot. If you are there, you say yes, ma'am. Who did it? For me. I'm so happy for that. Right? Because I was so confused. Yeah. Shobhita, na? Veronica. I remember. Veronica. Shobhita Veronica. She did it. And I'm so happy that you people feel for the teachers. No, that's a great thing. We need not wish Teachers Day. Teachers Day is this only, where you people know what is the problem happening with me to identify you, and you made my work so simple. That's so nice of me. Thank you so much, Shobhita Veronica. Thank you so much. Okay, let's now go on to next question. 13th question. All these are correct. Okay. 13th question is the option. Next, unicellular symbiotic organisms improve the yield of legumes. How? How do they improve the yield of leguminous plants? First, they fix atmospheric nitrogen colonizing the roots of host plants. Unicellular symbiotic organisms. They fix atmospheric nitrogen and colonizing the roots of the host plants. Both are same only, no? A and B are looking same for me. They are same. Yeah. We can write B. B they have given answer. Okay. They are inducing the host plant to absorb more phosphorus. Wrong. They will not help in any way for the phosphorus thing. Okay. Okay, they stimulate the host plant to become tolerant to drought. No way, it's not helping for them. Okay, so therefore the option number B is right. Make a A will change. Okay, next 15th question. Dash produced by the bacterium Streptococcus and modified by genetic engineering used as a clot buster. Yesterday we were talking streptokinase, clot busters. Very good. What is cyclosporin A? Chakka ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. Cyclosporin A ಏನು ಕೆಲಸ? Cyclosporin A ಏನು ಕೆಲಸ? ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಬೇಗ ಬೇಗ ಟಪ 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 ಅಂತ. Immunosuppressant. ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇಕು immunosuppressants? Why do you need immunosuppressants? ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇಕು? Why do you need? During organ transplantation. Very good, Sudhita. During organ transplantation, your immunity has to be reduced. Therefore, there is very nice. Kanika, everybody is very nice. Yeah, all of you have become very active. This is what is required for me. Very nice. Thank you. Next is lipase. What the lipase will do? Lipase is what they do? Yes, come and tell me. Lipases. Yellow answer discuss madbudi. Okay, good dear. Lakshmi, everybody is answering. Lipase is gain cancer. Come on, answer. As a detergent, what they do? They remove the stains from the cloths. Very good. That's correct. Next one. Antibiotic streptokinase I have given it here. Correct. Break down the clots. Cyclosporin is produced by which microbe? Name the microbe that produce cyclosporin A. Yes. Who will produce cyclosporin A? Trichoderma polysporum. That's right. It is produced by. Is it a bacteria or a fungus? Trichoderma polysporum is a bacteria or fungus. Where else you have heard about trichoderma fungus? Trichoderma. Earlier you have heard once. Where you have heard about the trichoderma fungus? Ringworm. Yes. Some more will cause ringworm disease. What are the other microbes, other fungi that cause ringworm? One is trichoderma, you already told me. Anything else you remember? ಹಳೆದೆಲ್ಲ ಮರಿಬಾರ್ದು. Microsporum, right? Good. Good, yeah, Pranjali. Very nice. Today I am observing. Where is Inchara? Inchara, are you there? Yesterday you came at the end, said you didn't call me. Inchara. Hemamaya is answering. Good. Inchara. Arey beta, something you answer na? Only saying yes, ma'am. Let me see any answers. What I told you. What are the cyclosporin A produced from? Inchara will answer. Inchara. Cyclosporin A is produced from what? Epidermophyton is also correct. No, wrong. Inchara, where are you? Arey? Cyclosporin A is not produced. Other your friends will tell. Is she correct? Is Inchara is writing correct? She is saying cyclosporin A is produced by microsporum. See, they are all writing. Steve Gauri and all. No, it is not produced by the microsporum. Inchara, concentrate. You are at home, no? Why are you not concentrating, Inchara? Let me see again. You write the answer. What is the chemical and what is the microbe? You write it. Let me see. Inchara will write down. Others be quiet. Because I am not observing her reacting at all in this group. Dhruti is there. Dhruti, are you there? You two answer, no? Your friend for her and you are all sitting quietly doing nothing. You did, okay, good. Inchara, write it. Let me see. Are you there? You're gone. See, each and everyone I cannot identify. No, some of the known names I'll tell you. It doesn't mean that I'm neglecting others. It's only meaning that some I know, some names. That's what I'm saying. Like I see Rajeshwaran answering well, Prakriti is answering well, Lakshmi is answering, Pranjali, Pratibha. Everybody is answering. Often those who answer, I remember. Okay, Inchara is there. Ma'am, my internet connection is slow. The video is lagging. So what should I do here? Leave the internet story. Tell me what are the defects of the ringworm medicine, ringworm causal organism. Okay, old story. Even bit good. Hale kate. Don't give me reasons that internet is problem, this, that, and all. I don't like it. Next, antibiotic streptomycin. Okay, next. Select the correct option to fill in the blanks. Dash are used in detergent. Same question in a modified form. Detergent formation and helpful in removing oily stains. That is lipases. Good. Dash is ripened growing Penicillium roqueforti on them. What is that? What cheese? Roquefort cheese. What is the color of the Roquefort cheese? Roquefort cheese color in green. Very good. Good, yeah. All of you are reacting. That's nice. Third one, dash are produced without distillation, whereas dash are produced by distillation. Yadu? Whiskey and rum are produced without distillation, whereas wine and beer are produced with distillation. Good, right. Next, Dash antibiotic was used to treat American soldiers wounded in the World War, and dash is also called Kushtrog. Penicillium. What is Kushtrog? Leprosy. What happens in Kushtrog? Leprosy ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Leprosy ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Ma'am, whiskey and rum are produced with distillation. Yeah, I said. Dash are produced without distillation. Ulta should be given, I think. Wine and beer should be coming first. So reverse that. I thought in urgency, I thought that way. Beer is undistilled, right? Correct. Reverse is correct. Adana madive ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲೇ. Good, yeah, you reminded me. ಎಲ್ಲಿ wine and beer first ಬರಬೇಕು. Second answer ನೇ wine and beer first ಬರೀರಿ. Whiskey and rum late ಬರೀರಿ. Whiskey and rum are distilled. Wine and beer are undistilled. ಹೌದಾ? Good, good. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ರು ನನಗೆ. ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು. Thank you so much. Done now? Okay. Leprosy, you know one very famous personality about leprosy. Who is that? Who was treating the Kushtrog patients? Who was that? Yes, good. Mother Teresa. Not Stephen Hawking. No, Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa treated Kushtrog leprosy patients. You know one thing with the leprosy problem? Listen. Those, what is the characteristic I told you? Somebody has written it actually. Leprosy adar gain agutte. There is degeneration of limbs. Leprosy adar gain nodidare leprosy ಆಗಿರೋರ್ನ ಲೆಜೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಡಿಜೆನರೇಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೆರಳುಗಳು ಕಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗ್ತದೆ ತಿನ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸಣ್ಣ ಬೆರಳಿಗೆ ನಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತವೆ. You are not seen now. Not only film, yeah, all these people who are on beggars and all will have Kushtrog only. They'll be like this, chota hands and all like this. They'll be doing. Yes. World War. Recently she got Mother Teresa. She is no more now, but not World War I and all. Not very far. Actually, listen. This bacteria will eat up the bones and all the limbs. Degeneration of bones and that ಎಲ್ಲ ತಿನ್ನಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಿದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ it is highly contagious. ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಕುಷ್ಠರೋಗ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆ ಇದೆ, ಯಾರು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ರತ್ರ ಮಾಗಡಿ ರೋಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕುಷ್ಠರೋಗ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆ ಇದೆ. Do those who limp, all limp will not be having it. They will have chota hands like this. Ichite kai irtade, ichite kaal irtade, and some of the fingers and all ಇಷ್ಟಿಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತದೆ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಕುಷ್ಠರೋಗ, ರೈಟ್? ಇದನ್ನ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಯಾಕೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಷ್ಠರೋಗ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆ ಇದೆ ಎಲ್ಲೆಡೆ ನಿಯರ್ ದ ಮಾಗಡಿ ರೋಡ್, ರೈಟ್? There also I seen people who go there. Treatment is difficult because it's very contagious. Anyone comes and touches that portion, they may get that through the wounds. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಕಷ್ಟ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಮದರ್ ತೆರೇಸಾ was the nurse actually. She got, as per I know, she had got resistance against that. She actually served a lot of people, and that's why she got what award she got? Nobel Prize. Very good. Nobel Prize for peace, right? That's a very nice thing. She got it. Okay. ಕುಷ್ಠರೋಗ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಯಾವುದು? ಲೆಪ್ರಸಿ. ಲೆಪ್ರಸಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ caused by Mycobacterium leprae. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿ ಪ್ಯಾಥೋಜನ್ ಹೆಸರು ಕುಷ್ಠರೋಗದ. Leprosy is caused by Mycobacterium leprae. LAPRAE. Leprae. Next 17th question. Option ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ? ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ. You have B option. B option ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ beer and ಮೂರನೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ beer and wine first ಬರೆದು whiskey and rum later ಬರೀಬೇಕು. Okay. Next. Read the following statements and select the correct ones. Biocontrol refers to the use of biological methods for controlling the plant diseases and pests. Yes or no? Correct or wrong? Biocontrol andre It is a use of biological methods for the controlling of plant diseases and pests. Correct? Ah? Correct. Next. Use of Allah ನೀವು answer ಬರಿಬೇಡಿ ನನಗೆ. You should just justify that. Use of biocontrol measures will greatly reduce our dependence on toxic chemicals and pesticides. ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇಲ್ಲ actually. Use of biocontrolling measures will greatly reduce the biological agents for the controlling plant disease and pest toxic chemicals and all. So it's not rightly explaining what is this. Okay, ಎರಡು true statements ane, but first ಗೆ second support ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, second statement. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ B option. Okay, see the diagram. This diagram ಏನಿದು bio gas plant. ABCD ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ. D ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ABC ಮಾತ್ರ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. A is the inlet of cattle dung. C is the outlet of release of biogas is wrong. C is wrong. B, the chamber which contain leftover slurry. Wrong. So only A is correct. A is the only one where it is a collection of the collector of the cattle dung. Cattle dung collect ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇದೊಂದೇ ಇರೋದು. Okay, good. Cattle dung ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇನ್ನೇನು ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? Cattle dung ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇನ್ನೇನು ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ? Water and make the slurry. What is the second tank? Big tank is what? The bigger tank is given. What is it called? Digester tank. Okay. Plant leftovers also. B ಯಾವುದು answer? B ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಲ್ಲ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ B ಹೆಸರೇನು? What is B there in the diagram? See that B and tell me. B is what? B is not a digester tank. B is what? It's a gas collecting tank. Okay. C collects the sludge. C is the sludge collector. Sludge collector. C ಏನು? ಉಳಿದಿರೋದು sludge ನ ತಗೊಂತದೆ. Gas collector ಅಲ್ಲ. Wrong. Gas collector is B. You should write B is gas collector. C is the sludge collector. Okay, good. Next, 19th question. Which one of the following combinations of the organisms is responsible for the formation and flavor of the yogurt? Yogurt ಗೆ ಯಾವುದು flavor ಮತ್ತೆ formation help ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? Lactobacillus, Bulgaricus and Streptococcus, Thermophilus. Okay, different flavors ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಈ option. Next, 20th question. Streptomyces is obtained from Streptomyces griseus. Next, which of the following pathogen causes whooping cough? Whooping cough ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತಾರೆ? Whooping cough ಗೆ ನಾನು ಕೇಳಿದ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Whooping cough ಏನಂತಾರೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ? Dog cough. ನಾಯಿ ಕೆಮ್ಮು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ನಾಯಿ ಕೆಮ್ಮು ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಹಾಗಂತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ they will have the lot of that sound will be left. ಬರೀ ಕೆಮ್ಮಲ್ಲ, ಕೈ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ. It's called ನಾಯಿ ಕೆಮ್ಮು. ನಾಯಿಗಳು ಅಳ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾಯಿ ಕೆಮ್ಮು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್, ಗುಡ್. ಬಾರ್ಡೆಟೆಲ್ಲಾ ಪರ್ಟೂಸಿಸ್ ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ? ಬಾರ್ಡೆಟೆಲ್ಲಾ ಪರ್ಟ್ಯೂಸಿಸ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಮಗು ಇದ್ದಾಗ. ಯಾವುದು? DPT. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. D stands for what? D stands for diphtheria. It is P. ಆಯ್ತು. Pertussis. Okay, good. Then T. Tetanus. Okay. Diphtheria, pertussis, tetanus. 3 diseases. It's one vaccine, BCG vaccine. You all take it. Okay. BCG vaccine is the best vaccine. Ma'am, my bandwidth is really low due to the network problem in my area. Can you send me the link, ma'am? Okay, you get it. Link. I'll send you. You should send me the message so that I can send it to our office people. They will send you. I don't have the links. Okay. DPT is right. Next. Which of the following option contains end products formed during the anaerobic respiration in yeast? End products of the yeast respiration yadu anta. Water, carbon dioxide, energy, the end product. Aito, first one given now. Water, carbon dioxide, what and energy, where it is released? That's the right question for me. Answer, I don't want Sudipta. Aerobic what? Kushal. Kushal is right. Kushal today only I am observing. Aerobic respiration of glucose. Produce complete carbon dioxide, water and energy. Okay, H2S, C6, H2O6 and energy. It is during initial stage of fermentation. So it should be C option, carbon dioxide, ethanol. Wine, beer are produced directly by fermentation, whereas brandy and whiskey are required both fermentation and distillation. This is because of fermentation, alcohol production will reduce. 10 to 18% ಗೆ ನಿಂತೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಮುಂದೆ ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇನ್ನೂ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಫರ್ಮೆಂಟೇಷನ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ವೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದು ವಿಸ್ಕಿನಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬಾ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್. ಎಷ್ಟು ವಿಸ್ಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರುತ್ತೆ? 45 to 50. ವಿಸ್ಕಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ರಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 50-55 ತನಕ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಫರ್ಮೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅದನ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Next, the masses of bacteria held together by the slime filament of the fungal filament to form mesh-like structures called primary sludge, flocks, activated sludge, anaerobic respiration. Now you tell me what is a primary sludge? What is primary sludge? I know answer. You tell me what is primary sludge when it is formed. What it consists of? Answer. Which settles down in the sedimentation is correct. That's right. What is the next one? Activated sludge and ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? Activated sludge and ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? Activated sludge and aerobic ಇರ್ತದೆ. Sediments of flocks ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Anaerobic bacteria, not aerobic bacteria. Anaerobic bacteria ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, done. It reduces the BOD. Starting ಅಲ್ಲಿ BOD reduction ಅಲ್ಲಿ aerobic treatment ಅಲ್ಲೇ BOD ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ aerobic ಅಲ್ಲಿ air ಎಲ್ಲ blow ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. So aerobic microbes ಬೆಳೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು they utilize all this organic component and they reduce the BOD. Okay, then next, for the biogas production, process of biogas production, is it aerobic or anaerobic? It's an anaerobic process, na? It's an anaerobic process. Biofertilizers are the organisms that enrich the nutrient quality of the soil. Which of the following can be used as biofertilizers? Ellanu use ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Option D. Okay. All nitrogen fixing bacteria, cyanobacteria, nitrogen fixing bacteria, mycorrhizae, everything is used. Match the following. Column A, column B, column 1, column 2. Ganga Action Plan, Ministry of Environment and Forest. One more thing I told you along with that, no? What was that? Along with ಗಂಗಾ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನ್ವೈರನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರದ್ದು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನು, KVCP. KVCP ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಬಯೋಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್. ಬಯೋಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಗೆ ಐ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ KVCP ಖಾದಿ. ಎನ್ವೈರನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಗಂಗಾ ಅಂಡ್ ಯಮುನಾ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನ. ಬಯೋಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಇವನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್. ಎರಡನೇದು ಯಾವುದು? KVCP ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಯಾವುದು? ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ಸ್. IARI. That is in long form in IARI. IARI long form in. ನೋಡೋಣ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ. IARI, Indian Agricultural Research Institute. Good, very good. All are writing. Kushal also is writing. Today he is active. Very good boy. Okay, done then. Next. Let's continue. The inoculum is added to the fresh milk in order to convert the milk into curds. The term inoculum here refers to what? What is inoculum actually? What do you mean by inoculum? Right? The starting microorganism containing millions of LAB, lactobacillus bacteria. ಒಂದು ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ, ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಸಣ್ಣ ಒಂದು ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಬೆಳೀತದೆ. ಮೊಸರು ಹೆಪ್ಪ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ? ಹೆಪ್ಪ. For curd preparation, previous curds ಎಷ್ಟು ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ? 5 ಸ್ಪೂನ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ? 10 ಸ್ಪೂನ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ? 1 ಸ್ಪೂನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಪುಟ್ಟ, ಒಂದು ಡ್ರಾಪ್. Single drop is enough. 1 drop contain millions of bacteria. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? 1 teaspoon, ಅಯ್ಯೋ ದೇವ್ರೆ, ಹುಳಿ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಮೊಸರು ಪೂರ್ತಿ. 1 drop. Now on you practice this. 1 drop. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲ್ಯೂಕಾಮ್ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. 1 ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಟಕ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು, ಬರೀ ಅದು ಸ್ಪೂನ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ಸಾಕು. ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮೊಸರಲ್ಲಿ 15 ಸ್ಪೂನ್ ಇರ್ತಾರ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಅದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎತ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವಾಮ್ ಎನ್ವೈರನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ 4-5 hours ಗೆ ಕರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಡನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಡನ್. ಮಿಲಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೀರಿಯಾ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಹಂಗೆ ಮೈಕ್ರೋಸ್ಕೋಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿರ್ತದೆ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೀರಿಯಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 29. Which one of the following is a mismatch? Check it. Clostridium botulinum. What will that produce? A is right. What will that produce? It produces butyric acid. So it is not correct. Lactobacillus, Acidophilus, lactic acid, Aspergillus, nitric acid, acetic acid. Correct. Others are. 30th. See, ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದಾವಲ್ವಾ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗಿ. Okay, 10:30 ಗೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. You want me to solve all of them or you will solve them and I will start biotechnology? Gluconic acid and ನೋಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಮ್ಮ ನನಗೆ. We solve ma, okay mama. You want me to solve ma, okay ma. Okay, no problem. You will do it or shall we solve all the questions hundreds? ನೀವು ಇದರಲ್ಲೂ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಬಯೋಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಶುರು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತೀರಾ? ಬಯೋಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಉಳಿಯೋದು ಎಕಾಲಜಿ ಒಂದು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಎರಡೇ ಉಳಿತವೆ. You will do okay. Anyway, portions ಬೇಗ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ and all the things are getting over now for you. It is not an issue. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಪಾಠನು ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಆಗೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ. ನೀಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. Only 2 chapters left. No, you tell me. How many chapters left now? You will do it. Subhash Katyal is saying, Rushendra, where is he? Subhash, tell me the meaning. Why Rushendra is not coming? Subhash, if you know, call him and find out. What happened to Rushendra? Okay, tell me what are the chapters left now. 2 things. One for Subhash, one for others. How many chapters are left now? 7 chapters are. Left 7 chapters are. Arey yaar, listen. We have first one, reproduction 1 unit, 4 subunits. Chirant, Cordial, you're sleeping, huh? Oh my God. Cordial, Chirant, get up. On your video, let me see. Switch on your video. You're sleeping and simply putting and talking to somebody, huh? Chirant went, huh? I will complain on him now. Chirant, switch on your video. Oh my God. You are all doing like that only. You are sleeping and listening to me. I will note his name. Chirant from Cordial. You switch on your video. Let me see. Sleeping, talking to people. And I saw that also. He was holding that microphone and talking to them. Okay, done. Chirant, switch on your video. Let me see. Are you there? Chirant is there. He left the class. I'll push him from the college. So you people are so respectless, right? See, Kushal is saying 2 units and 1 chapter. Yeah, 1 evolution is the chapter. Then ecology is another chapter. It's like that. Evolution and ecology are the 2 main chapters. Evolution, in a long way, I'll just finish. In ecology, we have organisms and population. We have biodiversity. We have ecosystem. We have last one. 4 units are there. You switch on your video. I want to see you, Chirant. It's very wrong on your side, ma. Chirant, you can't be sleeping and putting the things on your mouth. What is that you are not feeling well? Are you writing notes? I feel so awkward to see you in that position. What others are doing, are you doing the same way? Cold is not husharila, cold is normal thing. Cold is, everybody will be having cold. Are you others, children, tell me, are you sleeping on the bed and listening to me? Yes, you can't do that. Then how do you write notes? For the sake of putting on, you are switching on. Yes, you can't do that. You can't, if you do like that, then you simply don't switch on only here. Okay, yeah, wish. Because cold is not a disease. Cold is common. Okay, we'll finish. You solve them. We'll start up the biotechnology. Right? I feel so disgusted, looking at that video of that person. I am not saying I don't want you are sorry. Means if this much of respect you are giving now, see there is something called internal feeling. No, you should have that. Atma Sakshi anta iರುತ್ತೆ. ನನಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ನಿಮಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಓದಬೇಕು. ಮಿಸ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಮಿಸ್ ಬೈತಾರೆ, ಓದಬಾರ್ದು. ನಿಮಗೆ ಲೈಫ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಓದಬೇಕು. Right? I never know how you people are doing it, but I believe that you people are listening and writing because so many are answering. Okay. Others, those who are sleeping, I can't help. Sleeping, switch on ಮಾಡಿ ಓಡಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋದು. ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಪಾಪುಗಳಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಪಾಪುಗಳೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Right? I don't know. The class ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಬಿಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Okay, now listen. Let's now start with the biotechnology. Right? It's time 33 is there. We are going to start with the biotechnology. Okay. Let's begin with it. biotechnology, right? So what is actually biotechnology? It is actually the improvement of the living beings or microorganisms using technology. Simple method. Any technology, if you use microscope also is technology, right? So improving the organisms genetic level and using the technology for this biotechnology. Okay. Now, what is that biotechnology is different from normal things, right? Normally ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಈಗ ಆಂಟಿಬಯೋಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಹಳೆ ಕಾಲಕ್ಕೆ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ they used to take the microorganisms, one like penicillin, they directly used to take the spores and they used to inject people who are suffering from like major disease like TB and all. They used to take penicillin directly, spores of the penicillin they used to inject. But what used to happen in there, these antibiotics were so strong. They had a lot of side effects. Strong like one microorganism has entered. They used to have side effects, and you people also take amoxicillin and all, you get loose motions at the end. So these are crude antibiotics. They are called the raw antibiotics. Same thing, if suppose vaccines, when we were kids and all, they used to come to put vaccines, smallpox, chickenpox and all, we used to have the vaccines and they used to inject here, right? Right? Idu antibiotics vaccines ಕೊಡುವಾಗ ಆದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ we used to almost get the disease. Andre we were getting, because once you put the vaccines, the pathogens in that weak form they are introducing. So the pathogens once they used to enter, they start using our host, they start multiplying also. So they were so strong, so harsh that the people used to get the disease almost half the way. Although not too much, but half the way they were having sufferings also. So biotechnology played an important role in this. What they did was, suppose they want to prepare the vaccine for TB, TB illandre smallpox, chickenpox, illandre vaccines for typhoid anta ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಆ typhoid pathogen ಅನ್ನ observe ಮಾಡಿ, they used to take the genome sequence of the typhoid bacteria. Okay, that typhoid bacterial genome they used to analyze and used to find out, they are finding in biotechnology which gene of typhoid bacteria is responsible for the pathogenic activity. They will identify that, then cut off that gene which is the antigen, which is actually the disease causing gene. Then they cut the gene and they will insert into some other organisms, and then they weaken that organism, heat kill it, and they inject. So what happens? The pathogen is not there in you. Pathogen genome in the weakened form they are giving, so you will have very less side effects. I told you, modern technology, what is that requires is to have the antibiotics and others with less side effects. So biotechnology plays an important role here, right? Then nitrogen fixing. You know that plants will have nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen fixation is done by the leguminous nitrogen fixing bacteria. Nitrogen fixation, it is done by, what is that? Rhizobium bacteria. Okay, this will fix it in the root nodules of legumes. Okay, they used to convert or fix it in the root nodules of legumes. ಈಗ legumes ಬೆಳೆದೇ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹೌದಾ? You will have to do crop rotation. If you are growing rice, then you will have to put the nitrogen fertilizers. So biotechnology plays an important role here. What they have done is the nitrogen fixing bacteria. This is the bacteria. This is a bacteria. This is the genome of the bacteria. Okay. They map this genome. Map genome andre ella DNA ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ, DNA ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆಯಾ? ಈ DNA ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಒಂದು ಜೀನ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ 100 ಜೀನ್, ಇಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಜೀನ್. So gene X, M, L, something like gene. In that, they will used to identify which gene is responsible for nitrogen fixation. Maybe this one. It is called the NIF gene. This NIF gene is taken out and that is inserted in another bacteria that is multiplied, and NIF gene is injected into something, some other plants which are not legumes. So now any plant can produce nitrogen. They can fix the atmospheric nitrogen. So I hope you understood what is biotechnology role. Role of biotechnology is technically changing the microorganisms at the genetic level and use it for the human sophistications in a modern technology. Got it? So the biotechnology plays here. So it is like a technology used, right? We have various enzymes to cut the DNA. We have various enzymes to join the DNA. So all those are the enzymes. And we have the very highly developed research labs out there where they do all this. Like we have one here, it is Biocon Industries. It's a biotechnology industry. Like that, and Himalayas and all, they're all biotech industries. Right? Indo-American hybrid seed production. So these are biotechnology labs. It's a modern science. It's an applied science, right? So I'll give some introduction in the form of short note. Then we'll go to the really part of biotechnology. The major portion of biotechnology include cutting the gene and inserting. We call this as genetic engineering. The major procedure include genetic engineering and to maintain aseptic environment. These are the basic things required for biotechnology, and the major fields are genetic engineering and the aseptic maintenance of aseptic conditions. Okay, done. Okay, write the points on this. New chapter. New chapter, you write it as biotechnology. I'm sorry. Write down biotechnology. It is a field in applied biology. It's a field in applied biology where genes are manipulated modified using special type of enzymes and modern technology. It's not a definition, it's an introduction. Using modern technology. Biotechnology can be defined as the manipulation of living organisms manipulation of living organisms or the components or their components to produce useful commercial products. Useful commercial products. Or another definition, second definition, right? It is integration of natural science. It is integration of natural science, comma, organisms, comma, cells, for the products and services. For the products and services. Biotechnology term was coined by Carl Ereky. Carl Ereky. I repeat the sentence. Biotechnology is the integration of natural science, organisms, cells for the products and services. Products and services. It involves the major subject as genetic engineering. Major subject as genetic engineering. Genetic engineering. Next paragraph. Genetic engineering is otherwise called recombinant DNA technology. is otherwise called recombinant DNA technology. This involves cutting the desired DNA fragment, cutting a desired DNA fragment from one organism and inserting it into another organism another organism using specific enzymes. For the human benefit. For the human benefit. For the human benefit. Next. Paragraph you write. Biotechnology originated very early during human civilization. During human civilization. Next, fermentation is the old biotechnology process. Fermentation is the old biotechnology process. that helped for the formation of fruit juices and alcohol. Fruit juices and alcohol. Okay, done. Next. In recent years, number of powerful industries have been developed. In recent years, number of powerful industries have been developed for the production of first one food items, second dairy products, third one non-alcoholic beverages. Non-alcoholic beverages and in the bracket, right? Curing of coffee and tea leaves. Curing of coffee and tea leaves. Okay, I'm repeating. What did I tell you? Powerful industries have been developed for producing first one food items, second one dairy products, third one non-alcoholic beverages, like in the bracket coffee and tea leaf curing of coffee and tea leaves. Okay, done. Next, comma. Next one, alcoholic beverages. Enzymes, antibiotics, vaccines, etc. Vaccines, etc. Okay, let's stop here. Tomorrow I'll start the principles of biotechnology. Okay, attendance is bandida 120 to they are reducing 120 or 160 beko. We will see. Actually, you don't worry. Attendance is somebody will be there to take your attendance. Okay. Don't think that I am only taking attendance. There are a lot of people who are attending this class and they are taking your attendance. Don't worry. Physically, I should take attendance. And be careful. All these things will count for your attendance in future. Okay. See you then. Bye. Have a nice day. See you. Bye.